My name is Jonathan Monga. Well, my experience was very nice. Came in with a lot of expectations, and I'm glad to report that a lot of them have been met. For starters, came in expecting to learn, and that is exactly what we did. We went through a lot of modules. We did self-awareness, where I got to learn a lot about myself, and we also did a week about the SDGs, where I got to learn a lot about what the world is trying to accomplish as a collective. With learning, I feel like everything changes because you acquire new information, and as you acquire new information, same with your life's mission, it begins to change. So for me specifically, I would say with SDG 4, I got to learn about SDG 4, and I feel like that is why I should dedicate my life. Previously, I didn't know much about the SDGs, but after Genius, I feel like I've now achieved a more clearer mission with my life.
My name is Ken Mukangala. My experience was amazing because I got to interact with industrial professionals such as a NASA expert and also a World Bank representative. It made such a large impact whereby I really think of the world and everything that I do in a really different way. Even my schedule is quite different because of Genius Education. I am really excited to graduate. It is a really momentous occasion for me because it actually took a long time for me to complete, and it was a great effort that we put together, not just myself, but together as Genius graduates today.
So ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, learners, coders, and innovators, we gather here today on Friday, the 2nd of February, in the name of Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math, which is popularly known as STEM. Exactly. So STEM aims to foster inquiring minds, critical and creative thinking, logical reasoning, leadership, and collaboration skills. On this important day, we have gathered here Excel fellows as well as coders who are showcasing their ideas and solutions and applying science to solve their problems.
So the stuff we do at Genius is focused on the future because the future matters to us. The stuff we do at Genius focuses on the future because we want young people to be leaders of that future. African young people to be leaders of that future because Africa is the future.
My name is Frida Mwingi. Let me just introduce myself. What comes to your mind first when you hear about Genius Education Zambia? The first thing that comes to my mind is changing lives and also empowering young people. I'm one of the people who've gotten known in the world just by Genius Education Zambia as an Excel fellow for the Genius Excel Mentorship program. The program was an 8-week intensive learning program which consisted of amazing topics that can help change lives. Most of the people didn't have an idea about that. But through the mentorship program, we got to learn more about the things that are happening around us. We had different speakers from all walks of life, from different parts of the world.
Fellow graduates, family and friends, it is with great honor and excitement that I stand before you today to celebrate this momentous occasion. Words cannot express the gratitude we feel towards our peer mentors and the Genius team today.